TechyFanOfIndia, we are going to study here Git and GitHub in English tutorial because this tutorial is only in English. The person who is from another language, they can also get its benefit, they can understand the English from here. Git is the distributed version control system. The VCs, short name is here, used to track changes in source code during software development. The number of changes will be there in the code that will be updated in the version. If you want to go back version, you can move to the back version using Git. It is simple breakdown. Some simple breakdown is there, like version control. What is version control? Git keeps tracking of the every change you made in your code, so you can go back to the earlier version if needed. As you need of the requirements, you can move to the different versions. Collaboration. Multiple developers can work on the same project without overwriting each other's code. Yeah, they are doing the same development cycle, and their history are storing in their own system. Distributed. Every developer has a full copy of the project history on their own machine, not just a central server. Branching and merging. You can create separate branches to work on new features or fixture. Merge them back into the main project when ready. Insert. Git helps developers manage code, collaborate efficiently, and keep a history of changes. So we are going towards the GitHub in platform for hosting and managing code. It is built around Git, which is a version control system that helps developers track changes in their code. Collaboration with others and manage different versions of project. Here is the what GitHub provides. Code hosting. Store code online in repositories, repos. Version control. Keep track of each and every change of your code using Git. Collaboration. Multiple developers can work on the same project, contribute via pull request, and review each other's code. Project management. The issues related to the code discussion and projects board to organize tasks. Coming to the CI/CD, this is very important in any DevOps engineering. Automation. This automation tool is there in Git. Talking about the GitHub, this the automation tool is there where whenever any changes happen in the code, it automatically completes the CI/CD to that particular project. With GitHub Action, you can automate test, deployment, and workflow. Open source community, millions of public repository, and where people share code, libraries, and frameworks. So we are going to step by step, and then in this last 6 minutes is showing that insert GitHub social network plus a project management tool plus cloud storage for code powered by Git. As we know that there are multiple cloud storage networks are there as services as you know, AWS and Azure as Google are most famous, and some others are also there, but the mostly famous is coming, and the same way GitHub is also the services, cloud services. Okay, so we'll start from here and then we'll move to the Azure and then AWS as per the requirement. Okay, so very first we need to download the Git. So if you want to download Git, you first come to the Google and you will mention like Git and into the there, then you will get this. The very first Git is written there, is click on there, then you will get this logo, and in the same way Git is a free and open source distributed version control system. To you can come down and come to here. If you are having the Windows, then you can click here and you can move away towards the download download it and install it step by step. You can complete it. Okay, the same way, if you are using if you are going to start the GitHub here, you can go to the Google and write the GitHub. In the same way, we'll having it's already login, so uh, we cannot go back. Yeah, but in the same way as you are using the uh, social media like Facebook, you first register them and then you log in and then you can do log out. In the same way, once you will go to the GitHub, you will first need to do the registration and then you can log in and you can use this. Okay, so yeah, it's already downloaded. So as you can see here, uh, the Git is already downloaded here. Just right click here and just next and next and go ahead to the email. The same thing you need to do, nothing else. Just do here yes and then next. You just need to go to the step by step. Don't skip anything. Just next. In this system already installed, so I am not going to install it. You need to follow these steps whenever you need to install it. Okay, so in this tutorial this much only. Have a great day. Yeah.